the first cleanse, I'm going in with Eve Taylor's Pre-Cleanse Oil. This product is great for facial massages due to its lightweight texture. It's also great for dissolving makeup and sebum while softening and nourishing the skin. The key ingredients are argan and peach kernel oil, which are rich in nutrients, ensuring that the skin remains supple. The product also contains calendula and green tea extracts, which help to soothe and condition the skin. For the second cleanse, I went in with a PHA foam cleanser. This product, created by Glamfox, is a gentle and mild chemical exfoliant that works on the most superficial layer of the skin, leaving it soft, smooth and luminous. The rosehip oil helps to rejuvenate the skin to restore elasticity, as well as helping to correct dark spots and reduce the appearance of scars. Now that the deep cleanse is over, it's time to treat and nourish the skin with a rich face mask. Today I decided to use Andalou's Sensitive Rose Water Mask. This product is great for those with sensitive skin. It provides lasting hydration with antiseptic properties to help soothe sensitive and delicate skin. Some of the key ingredients are rose stem cells, hibiscus extract and white tea. These ingredients work together to cleanse and soothe the skin, as well as offering protection from free radicals and environmental damage. To finish the facial, I went in with some specialty serums and moisturizers. I decided to use hyaluronic acid to encourage additional moisture retention and amino acids with added B5 to ensure that her skin barrier stays as protected as possible. Her skin looks luminous, smooth and deeply hydrated, and I look forward to seeing her in the next few weeks for an additional treatment. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.